What's up, everybody? Today we're working on the hatch again. We're going to be getting to something that I've been putting off ever since I got the car, but it is starting to get cold outside, so I need to go ahead and get it knocked out. But what we're going to be doing is cleaning this engine bay in here. It is in really bad shape. You can see right here the color it's supposed to be versus the color it is. But I got this super cheap pressure washer from the Home Depot the other day for $30. So we're going to test this thing out, see if it'll do anything. And I need to get rid of like these AC lines and the speaker wire and stuff. But I'm not planning on doing a fully like tucked harness and stripped bay and all that stuff. I just want it to be relatively clean in here. There's just years and years and years of road grime and gunk built up, and then from where that engine blew up, it threw all kinds of stuff everywhere. So get this cleaned up a little bit, get it pushed outside, see if we can't pressure wash it, see how it comes out. And I have been slowly ordering parts for it. I got this in the other day, the DW400 in-tank fuel pump. So we'll go ahead and throw that over here. Pile of parts. So I guess we'll go ahead and cut to a time lapse and we'll see what we can get ripped out of here. Alright, that already looks a lot better. Got all this stuff out of there. Not really too much, but it did make a difference in here. Get rid of the mounts. I've got some aftermarket mounts for it. Get rid of that hydraulic mount over here. Those things are garbage. But look how nasty my hands got just doing that little bit. That's why I really want to get this cleaned up a little bit, make it a little bit better to work on. But the rear tire over here kind of sits on the body. It's got some fitment issues. So I'm going to throw a different wheel on that so it'll roll a little bit easier. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to throw some engine degreaser in here and let it sit while I change that tire out. So go ahead and get that tire swapped out, and we'll get this thing pulled outside and get the pressure washing. Well, I guess we'll see how far half a can gets. Alright, so the body drags right there a little bit. So I'm going to throw one of these Integra wheels on it. So let's see if we can make it do it by itself. Just like that, now we can roll this a little bit easier. Get this thing pushed outside and get this bay pressure washed. All that just to get the car from there to here, just because it's a little hill. But got it set up where it needs a pressure wash. Got the drain right here. Get the pressure washer and everything set up, and then we'll get at it. Got this thing set up. See how it does. Oh yeah, we're gonna be able to make this work, I think. All right, I'm gonna set y'all up on another time lapse, and I'll show you all what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, we're making some pretty good progress on this. Definitely looking a lot better. There's still a little bit of stuff on there, but we're getting there. See, this plastic down here is looking good. That right there is how it was. And there's a clean spot. But I found another half can of degreaser. So we're gonna hit the spots that still needs some more cleaning. And we're gonna let this sit on here for probably 20 minutes or so. Alright, we'll let that sit on there and pressure wash it again and see how it comes out. It's the last of the degreaser, so whatever happens this round is how it's going to be for now. Definitely going to be a lot better to work on like this stuff. Have it. Not perfect. I guess that dirt and grime has been on here for a long time. It kind of stained the paint. Higher pressure washer might be able to get it off there, but this 2000 psi electrical one is maxed out right here. But if y'all have any ideas for how to get the rest of this clean, let me know in the comments. I'll give it a shot. Really don't want to strip everything out and paint it. But you can pretty much touch it wherever and you don't get grease on your hands, so that's a lot better. Down here it was real bad. It's all good now. All the stuff off the hood. And now that's a little bit more clean, you can kind of tell. I can't really see if the camera's picking it up or not, but the engine bay is actually a different color. It's like more of a white. And then the car is silver. So I don't know why it's a different color. Look at the door jambs in here. And it's all the same color as the car. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But relatively clean now. Like I said, if y'all have any ideas on how to get the rest of the set in stains out of the paint, let me know in the comments. Other than that, we're just gonna keep collecting parts. Slowly build this thing over the winter. Sorry not too much happening this week, but I guess that's going to be about all for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.